Hey! Alright guys, so, by the way, my microphone is acting weird, so I'm not using a microphone, I'm just using my phone to record this. So, my apologies for the audio quality. Also, please read the description. So, first you could draw a circle, and I used my brush sketchy stuff. If you would like to use all the brushes that I used, then you can just follow the link in the description. Also, okay, so just make a line straight down. You can of course use the circle tool if you'd like, but I won't because yes. Then make a line, and it's also best to do two sides of the face at the same time. You can of course use the symmetry tool, but I was just doing this because yes, guys, I don't have a reason. I don't have a reason why I do most things. Alright? So then you just cut in half, going from the first line at the top down to the chin, and then cut that space in half again. It's something called the middle rule, and I'll explain it a little more clearly here. So first you can see the circle, we have it cut in half. Then you're going to cut that space in half again, and then space it again. And you're going to cut that space in half, and you're going to cut those spaces in half. So you can see why it's called the middle rule, because you just cut the middle of things, yeah. By the way, guys, I can't draw ears. I can't draw ears, okay? So, how I could tell the thickness of the neck is usually those lines where the eyes are going to be, the lines in the middle. I start my lines there, and then I just go down. Also, this is a stylistic choice, of course, but I would recommend for you to curve the lines of your neck instead of making them completely straight, because, I mean, that would be anatomically more correct if you had more curved lines. Also, you can see on a new layer, I'm now curving the chin and the cheeks. Yes. I'm curving them because that's kind of the style that I would like more, but of course you can have sharper lines if you would like. It's completely up to you. It's a stylistic choice, so don't feel too limited, and it's okay if the drawing doesn't come out first like how you want it to be. Okay, no tutorial is gonna make you a master or gonna make you like 10 billion times better in just one go, okay? So it's alright if it doesn't look the exact same, or if you guys can't nail it right away, that's okay. Just keep trying and don't give up. Yeah, my voice keeps cracking. Alright, so also here's a tip for the neck. There's this muscle called the thigh something. Alright, it's that purple thing right there. So when you do it, please don't forget the neck muscle thingy called the thigh something. Alright, also this is how to make like a more masculine head versus a more feminine head. Usually what I do is I make the head a little longer, or to make someone look more mature, I usually just, make their head longer, less round. And one of the main differences between a male and female, like masculine looking thing, is a much thicker neck. Males usually tend to have thicker necks than females. Also, when I draw a male's neck, I usually add more details or muscles to it to make it look a little more masculine. Of course, not all guys' necks are like that, but that's how they are in my drawings, alright? Also, if I'm trying to draw someone who's much younger, like a child, or, someone just who's younger, yes, I make their head more round. So the younger they are, the more circular the head may seem, such as a baby or a toddler or a youth. And the older they seem to get, the longer I stretch their head out. But then again, that's just kind of a rule thingy that I go by, but you don't have to do the exact same thing, but it's a tip to make your character look younger or older. Yep. Alright, also remember all those lines that we did for the middle rule? That's all for something called face mapping. Face mapping is where you tell where, the things go in the face. Mouth, eyes, and nose. So with following those lines, then you guys can draw your face and it'll be properly proportioned. As you can tell in the description, in the thumbnail, and in the beginning of the video, this is not a tutorial on how to draw a face. This is not a tutorial on how to draw hair. This is not a tutorial on how to color. This is a tutorial on how to do the head shape. Alright, so don't go in the comments and be all like, how to draw a face. It's okay guys. I'll make a tutorial on how to draw like faces and stuff next time. Alright, so as you can see, I'm back with another style. Yeah, I just keep coming up with styles because I'm so inconsistent. I'm the queen of inconsistency. Alright, So please read the description. Also, there is a link to the kind of music that I use, or I'll just say the name of it if I can't find the link, the brushes that I use, and many more things. Alright? So I'm sorry that this video was pretty short. I was in a rush to finish it. Also, I've hit major art block, so yeah, that kind of sucks. Okay, so see you guys next week. Thank you so much for the support. Have a good night, day, wherever you are. Bye, and take care. Also, please read the description. That would mean a lot if you guys read the description. Okay, see ya!